Hello everyone, this is Tina with Tia's Treasures. Today I have for you the unboxing of the mystery box from Simon Says. I have the $50 one. I didn't buy the $100 one this time because I've just been spending way too much, as you can see. Now I popped this open and took a peek inside because I had ordered a bunch of Tim Holtz stuff and I was like, where's it at? I thought this would be the size of my mystery box, but you know, what is inside here, I have not really peeked except to look at this, which is my Tim Holtz stuff. And if you want to see, I'm going to do a big unboxing in a different video because I have got more Tim Holtz that I have bought. I've been going crazy with Tim Holtz. So anyway, I will do an unboxing, like a haul video for that at a later date. But right now, this is the $50 Huntington's mystery box from Simon Says. So let's open it up and see what is in here. It said, if this is $100 worth of stuff, I'm like, okay. But, you know, it is what it is. So I have a couple distress cubes, saltwater taffy, and villainous potion. I have all the distress cubes, but I can always put these aside for later. I have a thank you card. Thank you, thank you. You are very welcome. What do we have here? It looks like a little embossing strip. Vine leaf border embossing folder. And Gemini. Little elegant tags. Okay, so that's a little tag. Cute. And, you know, I have to admit, I'm not a fan of the Gemini stuff, and it seems like I get so much of the Gemini. This is dashing through the snow. Oh, look, it's a little reindeer. I wouldn't even notice that. That's really cute. I might have to use this one. I mean, that is pretty elegant. New technology. Interesting. Okay, and here is another Crafter's Companion. Holly Jolly Christmas Tree. Interesting. What is that, a stamp or a die? Oh, photopolymer stamp. Okay. And cut and emboss. I have a lot of these from card kits, but I don't have this one, so I got lucky for a change. I don't know. And scissors. What am I going to do with a pair of child safety scissors? Tonic Studios. Okie doke. And a Gina K Designs. Oh, that's a cute little flower. Peony spray. And we have some memory box banner sentiment trios. I could probably use these. I just got to remember I have them. That's the problem. I have too much stuff. I don't remember what I have. Confetti. Now, this is what I'm talking about. I could definitely use these. Little gold confetti. Who couldn't use gold confetti? Newton's Nook. Oh, that's cute. I swear, I love getting these boxes, but I probably don't use half the stuff in them. Ooh, Ideology. Oh, there we go. This is something I don't have, which, considering I have almost everything else from Ideology now because I've been splurging, that's saying something. Put that on that side. Pine cone stackers. That looks like that might be a lot of work. I might be too lazy to use them. Interesting, though. And then we have, this is pretty big, Avery L. Just a little something. Congrats. Thank you. Happy birthday from me to you. You know what I need? I need wedding shower and baby shower or baby stamps. I have hardly any. And we have butterflies. Okay, this is just awesome. Gina K. Love me some butterflies. And what is the name of this? Beautiful Butterflies 3. Peel stamps, blah, 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 blah. Are they stacking? No, I don't think they're stacking. I think, but they are maybe mix and match. There's got to have some bodies somewhere here. I see the little you know, do we have one with antennae or anything? I mean, use that as antennae. That would be cute. I guess you could use these little sentiments as the antennae. That's really cute. And are these, but what would you use for the body? These? I'm guessing. I have no idea. But anyway, that is our mystery box. And let me know what you think. I have so much stuff all over my desk here. I am going to be doing, like I said, a Tim Holtz unboxing. I am expecting a few more Tim Holtz things coming in. I've got them coming in from different places. So once everything is in a few more days, I'm going to do a big unboxing of that. If you are at all interested, stay tuned. But this is the $50 Simon Says box. And if you enjoyed this video at all, please give me a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm. And if you're not a subscriber yet, I would love to have you. I am, you know, trying to put out more content, but it is going slow. So anyway, thank you all for watching, and bye-bye for now.